Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Chicago Fire defender Mbekezeli Mbokazi will miss the rest of the 2026 MLS season due to a torn thigh, according to club head coach Greg Berhalter. The 20-year-old Bafana Bafana centre-back unfortunately suffered upon the return from the 2026 FIFA World Cup in the Americas, having aided South Africa to reach the knockout stages for the first time in the country's history. Since joining the MLS side, Mbokazi has been with fine performances that have seen him feature in each of his 12 appearances in the regular season for Chicago Fire. His exploit has also seen him garner most votes for the 2026 MLS All-Star Game, though he missed the game due to an injury. Now, here is a statement from the coach. It says, Mbo being out for the year is a tough one. It's really about the next person stepping up and being a team that's hard to score on, closing spaces and being compact. We are working on that now, and I think today you are going to see that. That's the statement from Chicago Fire head coach. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mbekezeli Mbokazi being out for the rest of the year? It means he'll also miss Bafana Bafana's African Cup of Nations qualifiers. How do you think that will affect Bafana Bafana? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And in other news, Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Miguel Reisinho has confirmed his exit from the club on Instagram with this caption: "Thank you Masanda Wana, forever in yellow, forever in my heart." Miguel Reisinho leaves Mamelodi Sundowns having only featured in 14 games, scoring 2 goals. The Portuguese youth international joined the club as a free agent after leaving Boa Vista upon their struggles after relegation to the second tier. He arrived with high expectations as one of the most technically gifted footballers to emerge from the youth structures of Portugal. But much like his career, things have not gone as expected. And after being sent off with a straight red card minutes into his official debut, it's been a stop-start season for the 27-year-old, as he failed to establish himself in the starting lineup. Meanwhile, his compatriot Nuno Santos has fared better since his arrival in a more advanced midfield role, scoring 5 goals and 11 assists in 36 games. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Miguel Reisinho announcing his departure from Mamelodi Sundowns? And in other news, Tanzanian giants Simba SC has reached an agreement with Mamelodi Sundowns over the loan transfer of midfielder Neo Maema. Following lengthy negotiations between Simba SC and Mamelodi Sundowns for Maema, the two sides finally reached a loan agreement that will see the 30-year-old return to Simba for another season. Maema played a massive role in Simba's good previous campaign when they finished second in the NBC Premier League and won 2 domestic cups. The former Bloemfontein Celtic midfielder joins Keletso Maghaulwa, Roshin De Roux, and head coach Steve Barker as South Africans in Simba's team. He is now expected to join the Tanzanian side as early as next week, as Simba have already begun preparing for the start of the new season. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mamelodi Sundowns loaning Neo Maema once again? Is it a good move? Let me hear your thoughts. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.